guys, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video, we're going to see how to make your own CTM routine with just rose water alone. So for that, we have got some rose flowers with us. I'm going to prepare rose water for 2 weeks for one person, that is for me alone. So for that, I'm showing you the quantity. You can alterate it according to the person, number of persons using it, and how much time you need to store the rose water. Okay, so let's begin the video. So for that, I'm taking another bowl and picking out freshly collected rose petals. So we need only 2 to 3 flowers. That will be more than enough. Collect it gently and you will have to wash it thoroughly because you're going to use this on your face. So make sure that you wash it thoroughly before you use it. So far I have got around 5 rose petals and this much it has, and you can, as I told you before, you can alterate the quantity as much you want. So now I'll show you how to make the rose water. So now it's time to wash the petals. Now get a pan like this. Collect your rose petals. Squeeze the excess water and drop only the petals inside. So I'm going to turn the flame on. Now pour around 1.5 tumblers of fresh water, okay? Now stir her occasionally and bring her to boil. My petals have started changing their colors. So you could see which color we just put them and which color now they have become. So let them boil some more. So our rose water is ready now. This is our homemade rose water. So how will you find that my rose water is ready? So your petals will become plain or blank, and your water, just the plain water which you have poured na, that will be in this color or type. So at this time you may turn your flames off and your homemade rose water, which is 100% natural, is ready. Allow it to cool completely. Just strain it. I will show you on straining it. So our rose water has become partially cold now. So at this stage, what I'm doing is taking a bowl to filter it. You can for sure wait it for complete cooling, okay? So our rose water is ready. This is 100% natural and organic. So with this, I'll show you how to make your CTM routine with only rose water. So for the first, you need a cleansing part. Take a bowl and get around 2 to 3 spoons of your rose water. And to this, either add milk or gram flour. Here I'm adding gram flour only, around half a spoon. This will be enough for my face alone, and for my neck I'm adding another quarter spoon. Now I'll give a good mix. You can also add milk to it, or you can also add turmeric along with this mixture. It depends upon your skin type and your preference. So that is it. Here is your cleanser ready. Wet your face and apply it all over. This is 100% natural and suits all skin types, especially this gram flour and rose water. It is amazing for your skin for reducing blackheads, whiteheads, and it even treats uneven pigmentation and uneven skin tone also. Okay, so you can try this if you want. I personally love this kind of cleansers than chemical cleansers. It makes your skin awesome. If you try this once, you will never leave the DIY face washes. So just do try once and share your results after trying that. Now for the toning part, you can simply use your rose water alone and that will be enough. So how to use this? So first you can transfer it to a spray bottle like this and use it as your toner. Just you can spray it all over, or you can just pour it in a bottle like this, and with the help of your cotton pads you can use them as well. For the moisturizing part, what we are going to do is take a bowl, pick about 2 to 3 spoons of our rose water, homemade rose water. You can take it how much ever you want. So I'm going to use this moisturizer as my under eye cream as well, that is under eye gel as well. So I'm taking about 10 spoons of rose water, and to this I'm adding Mamaearth's aloe vera gel. You can use anything you want. You can also prepare your homemade aloe vera gel of your own and add that as well. So this should be in the gel like consistency, so add the aloe vera gel accordingly. I'm adding about 2 full spoons of aloe vera gel to this. You can also add vitamin E oil as your moisturizer. So oily skin types, you can use aloe vera gel as your moisturizer as your first preference, and if you have some dry skin you can use vitamin E. Mix them well. So I got the super gel like consistency, as you can see. You can use this as your moisturizer, 100% natural moisturizer. This does not clog your pores. It evens out your skin tone and prevents any rashes or redness or irritation in your skin. This completely cures that. I love using this as my under eye gel as well. So here I have stored my moisturizer in this format. Format means so here I have So here I have stored my moisturizer in this small tub. I like freezing this for about 2 to 3 hours and applying this as my under eye gel. You know, it reduces puffiness and those tired eyes. Using this as a moisturizer gives a good glow to your skin, reducing any acne, irritation or any other skin problems, guys, because rose water is very effective in doing that job. The rose water, your toner and your moisturizer, you can store it for about 3 weeks if left under refrigeration. Okay, if it is cool it stays put for about 2 to 3 weeks. You can use it for about maximum for a month. You can like store this, and if you are storing it in the room temperature it gets spoiled within 2 to 3 days of preparing this. So make sure you do not put it under the room temperature and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so if you want to put it in the room temperature you will have to prepare it with less quantity and more often you will have to prepare it. So this is our entire process of preparing rose water and using the same for your CTM routine. So any skin type and any skin concerned people, you can use this to see better results. You will find better results within 2 months. I promise you, if you use this daily for continuously for 2 months, so you will never have any skin problems like acne or oily skin. And what other skin concerns you have? Acne, oily skin, any blackheads, whiteheads, whatever you have, for sure you will get rid of all these skin concerns. Okay, and adding to this you can use rose water to many types as your face mist, your makeup remover and whatnot. You can use this for anything else for your skin. And we'll finish the video by now, and yeah, we are in the end of the video and we will all meet in the next video. And if you have any queries or any doubts regarding the video or any other thing, you can surely comment it down. I would feel happy to reply you. And if you feel to like ask your questions personally, you can chat on my Insta ID. I have given it on my channel. You can go check it. I will reply it there also. I think I have shared with you whatever I know about this thing. And if you have any ideas like Abhi, you can do this that way or this way, any suggestions, all suggestions are welcome always. Okay, so yeah, we'll all meet in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Tada.